welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cali. If you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I know right now I look like an egg, but I could not put on my hoops because I can't wear hoops while doing my makeup. But today I'm gonna be doing my makeup using new products. I got these brushes from Shein. I also got some lashes. And I also got this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna show you guys it in the video, but yeah, I got a whole bunch of new products and I really just wanna try them out. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So the first primer I'm going in with is my Benefit Pore primer. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just gonna place this on like my cheeks. I'm not putting this like all over my face. Oh, the only reason why I'm using this brush is because I don't want to dirty any of the clean ones. But yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty primer. This is for like oily skin. I forgot to grab my mirror. And I know I look crazy. I'm just really tired. I'm sure we've all seen what's going on in the news, and it's just like really crazy, like everything that's happening. And it's just exhausting, you know. It's like every single day I wake up, another black person has died. And it's just like, what is going on? It's just really crazy. I'm gonna take my CT London powder. It looks like this. Oops, wait. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a translucent powder. I'm just gonna use it to set my face. You guys know I do this all the time. If you're new to my channel, I always set my face after priming because I have oily skin. Okay guys, so I did my brows off camera because the struggle was real. But now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. And I'm just gonna carve out my brows. I'm gonna be using this angled brush. But yeah, it's just so sad, every single thing that's going on in the world right now. It's like the pandemic wasn't even truly over and we still have to be fighting in this country for just some type of rights. Not just equal rights, but some rights, you know? So I'm starting over. I'm so sorry about all the noise in the background. These people have been cutting grass like all day, even though there's nothing to cut. But I'm gonna go in with my white eyeshadow primer from NYX. I'm just gonna use my hands to further blend the product in. Going in with this purple shade all over on my lid. So far I look crazy, but we're gonna keep rolling with it. I'm gonna deepen this up with a purple eyeshadow because this one doesn't have a dark enough purple, so I'm gonna go in. I'm going in with the shade B. This is from the Julius blush palette. I'm like, should I go in with this or a dark purple? But let's just try this one and see what it looks like. Oh yes, this color blends beautifully. I feel like I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shimmer just to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take the shade Iris and Fresh, which are these two shades, and I'm just gonna pat them on my lid a little bit. Y'all, this eyeshadow is like not even showing up, and I'm disappointed. I'm gonna try spraying my brush with setting spray. That way it has something to stick to. Ooh, now it's showing up. That is such a pretty color. And honestly, I'm not being precise with the color. I'm just randomly placing it just to add a pop. I hope you all are staying safe during these trying times. I know there's a lot of craziness going on right now. I've just been praying, honestly. It's the only thing keeping me sane at this point. Okay. We're finally done with the eyes. Oh, I feel like the eyes took so long. I'm using this brush from Shein. I keep saying brush from Shein, but we all know it's from Shein. But yeah, I'm using it to blend up my foundation. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer once again. While my concealer dries down, I'm going to take this purple shade right here. I hope it looks purple on camera, but I'm gonna use it to deepen up my crease because I feel like it's a little too light and I just would like it to be a teeny bit darker. And I'm not deepening it up too much, just a little bit, because it was looking too pale for me. We are done with the eyes, and now we can go ahead and blend out our concealer. I'm using the same brush that I used earlier. I'm going to take the same foundation brush and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of the concealer. And I'm so sorry, the light keeps going in and out, in and out, in and out, because it's been raining here for a while, so I apologize. Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm using the same brush I used earlier to set all the places I highlighted. I love this powder. If you guys have any good setting powder recommendation, let me know, because all I use is Sacha Buttercup. In my Black Radiance contour palette, I'm going in with this shade right here and this pointed brush. I always do my jawline. With the same brush, I'm going in with my bronzer from Morphe, and I'm just gonna set all the places I contoured. For blush, I'm taking the same shade we used in our crease, which is this shade right here. This is from the Julius Place Saharan Blush 2 palette. I'm gonna take a little bit of this orange shade as well in the palette, just to add some warmth. I'm taking the same purple shade that we used to darken it up, and I'm going in on my lash line. I'm gonna put on these lashes at the bottom. What I love about these lashes is that it gives you a variety of styles and lengths to choose from, which is really good. And this was only like $2, so I'll make sure to link every single thing I used down below. New product I got as well from my BoxyCharm this month. I totally forgot about it, so I'm actually gonna put it on before I put on the eyelashes. We're gonna see if it works. Oh, it's actually really nice. I'm going to set my face using my Urban Decay All Nighter. For my nose highlighter, I'm gonna use a smaller brush. I'm going in with this Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Nude Mood. And that's it. Oof, this lipstick looks crazy. I feel like I look crazy. This is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and share with someone who might find this tutorial useful, and let me know what you think of this look. I really do like it. It's giving me purple pastel vibes. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.